Unicorn treat her friends with? Giant rainbow chips? Bright crackers? Or a huge, colorful cereal bar? Find out how to make Maxi Unicorn snacks in our new video. Our friends are having a small party just for girls. Jessica brought along a spell book, Magic Guide, Volume 1, How to Summon Magical Characters. Let's see what we've got here. We definitely won't summon Shrek. Fairy was here last time. Oh, look! Mermaid and our redhead are like two peas in a pod. What a coincidence! But I think we know who we should summon this time. And meanwhile, Unicorn is busy with music and snacks at home. Giant Snyder's Pretzels for unicorn creatures. What could be better than that? Put 1 spoon of baking powder into 2 pounds of flour. Chop 7 ounces of butter and add it to the flour. Mix 2 eggs and 3½ ounces of sugar. Pour this mixture into the flour with butter. Knead the very thick dough. Roll it and shape a giant pretzel. Cover a baking tray with parchment paper and put the pretzel on it. Dissolve food coloring in an egg white. Cover the pretzel with it and sprinkle it with coarse salt. Bake it for 45 minutes at 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Make a few big pretzels of different colors. Hot glue a big sheet of paper to make a package. Put the pretzels inside. Print out a label and attach it. Decorate it with stars and attach an image of rainbow pretzels. The girls utter the spell, Unicorness, welcome us! What's going on? Unicorn suddenly disappears from her cozy living room. The girls hear some strange noises. Oh my god! Holy rainbow! It worked! Unicorn appears at the party, and she's not alone. She has a giant snack with her, pretzels! And they are covered with rainbow. Redhead has never tasted a snack like this before, and the rest of the girls haven't tried it either. Take as much as you want. Unicorn is happy to share. Unicorn goes away when the package is empty. Where are you going? Don't get upset. Embark on a magical adventure with Unicorn. Unicorn invited her friends to her place and made a treat. These are rainbow chips called Maxi Lays. Mix 7 ounces of mashed potato and 3½ ounces of flour. Knead the dough. Divide it into parts and add different food colorings. Roll it thin. Sprinkle a silicone mat with flour. And put the colored rolls one after another to make a rainbow. Press them so that they stick together. Sprinkle the dough with flour and roll out to make a thin layer. Put 10 sheets of foil, one onto another, and add 1 sheet of parchment paper on top of it. Fold it into an accordion. Put it onto a baking tray. Cut an oval out of the rainbow dough. And put it onto the parchment paper, following the ridges. Bake it in an oven for 20 minutes at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover the rainbow chip with oil and sprinkle it with fine salt. Make a few chips. Attach foil to a big sheet of black paper. Attach a rainbow chips label to the other side. Fasten the package and fill it with chips. The girls gladly crunch on the potato rainbow, but Redhead turned out to be the greediest one of all. She wants to eat all the chips on her own. Ah, Redhead, don't you understand? Unicorn's law doesn't tolerate greediness. That's why greedy people disappear from the magical world and go back home. Those are the rules. But the generous girls are on the safe side. You can stay here longer. The girls lost Unicorn while drinking tea. Maybe she will come back to have a snack. But the friends can't deal with the lid. And meanwhile, Unicorn is in the kitchen, conjuring up a new snack recipe. She sees that the girls are having some trouble. All right, they need some unicorn magic. Boom! And regular crackers turn into magical ones. Add food colorings to ready puff pastry. Roll out the dough and cut out a long rectangle. Put grated cheddar on one side. Fold the dough and pinch the edges. Place the cracker onto a baking tray. Slightly whip an egg white and put in the same food coloring that you added to the dough. Cover the cracker with colored egg white. Make a hole in the center. Put it into an oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake a few crackers of different colors. Attach a printed-out cracker label to a plastic bucket of a good size. Coat the lid with primer. Then, paint a rainbow. Twist light clay of 3 colors to make a unicorn horn. Hot glue it to the center of the lid. Put the crackers into the package. The biggest rainbow crackers in the world are hidden in this bucket. One serving will be enough to feed all the hungry unicorns. The girls gladly crunch on the cheese crackers. They wonder which color is most delicious. Unicorn is in a Mexican mood today. Hola, chicas! The girls don't understand what kind of musical mustache festival she's got going on. Amor, amor, cactus, nachos, matador. Well, Unicorn is definitely having fun. She made giant Doritos to treat the girls. Mix 3½ ounces of wheat flour with 4 ounces of corn flour. Add 1 teaspoon of curry, chili pepper, sugar, and salt. Pour in 5 fluid ounces of milk and 1 ounce of oil. Mix the dough. Add food coloring. Roll it out on parchment paper to make a thin layer. Cut out a triangle. Bake it for 10 minutes at 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Fasten cardboard to make a package. Attach a Doritos logo and a printed image of colorful chips. Decorate it with glittering foam rubber sheet stars. Put the colorful chips inside. Come on, open these giant chips! Wow! These rainbow Doritos are very delicious, and this giant package will be enough for everyone. But even the biggest pack of chips runs out at some point. Too bad. Christy wanted at least one more. Unicorn is worn out from all this magic. She needs to eat a cereal bar. There you go! Much better! She got an energy boost to keep conjuring. 1 cereal bar is not enough. Let's make it 10 times bigger. A giant cereal bar will give Unicorn a year's supply of energy. Mix 9½ ounces of oats, 3 ounces of dried cherries, 3 ounces of roasted peanuts, 3½ ounces of candied fruit, and 3 ounces of chopped dried apricots. Take a separate pot and mix 3 ounces of sugar, 3 ounces of butter, 4 ounces of honey, and 2 fluid ounces of water. Cook it for 5 minutes. Pour the syrup into the dry mixture when it's ready and mix everything together. Cover a rectangular mold with parchment paper. Put the mixture on it and press it down. Refrigerate it for a few hours. For the package, we will need to glue foil to one side of colored cardboard. Hot glue the cardboard so that the foil is inside. Attach a printed out logo and an image with a cereal bar label. Draw an arch and color it with acrylic paints. Decorate it with stars. Apply strips of melted white chocolate onto the cereal bar. And sprinkle the chocolate with colored shredded coconut. Wrap the cereal bar and put it into the package when the chocolate hardens. The girls hear some mysterious noises in the kitchen. What's going on there? Unicorn came up with another giant treat, but she completely forgot about the girls. They also want to taste the cereal bar. Mmm, so beautiful! Say what you want, but eating snacks in the magical world with your friends is so much fun! Did you like our giant rainbow snacks? Then write in the comments which unicorn food you would like to cook. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new rainbow recipes on Troom Troom.